In today's video, I just want to show you another quick meal idea. If you're in a hurry, these are so nice because the nice thing about them, you can put them on a pan, put them in the oven, and while they're baking, you can be doing so many other things. I like to buy this chicken party wing bag. I've already used half the bag for another night that we had this, and tonight I thought we'd make this again, use up the rest of what is in this bag. These are going to go into the oven at 400 degrees for about 45 minutes, 30 to 45, depending on your oven. And you just want to make sure you check them, make sure they are done. And I don't spray anything on the foil before I put the chicken wings down because there's so much liquid that comes out. I like to use this to just check to make sure the temperature is above 160. And those look good. Those are all done. I checked a couple of them, and so I'm ready to move on to the next step. Now I just want to remove them, put them all in this bowl, just like this. Get them all together like that so I can put the sauce on them and get them ready to go back in the oven. If you have a favorite wing recipe, I would love to know what your special way to make them is. We love this red hot sauce. I just dump it over the top and get them nicely mixed. I heard one time the reason restaurant food is so good is because they use butter and salt a lot. And so I thought, I'm going to add a little butter to this. I mean, it can't hurt, and a little bit more sauce in there. I'm going to take these and get them really mixed again with that butter in there now. And now I want to put them over on my sheet pan. I'm just going to put them back on the same pan. I'm just going to dump all of that in there. Kind of mix that up a little bit. Once I get that mixed really well, I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of salt and pepper to the top just to season it a little bit. Then I just put them in the oven. I just want them to really bake on that sauce really good, just like that. They are looking really good. And that is all there is to it. These are ready to enjoy. That's what I love about these. It's just a nice meal. I feel like the meat is always the hardest part of making a dinner. And these are so easy because you just throw them in the oven. If you enjoyed this video today, I hope you'll consider subscribing and hit that like button. And I want to thank you so much for watching. And at the end of this video, I'm going to put up 2 of my other videos if you'd like to click on them.